I would have given naniha, but I did not hear any concrete program about crime and criminality.
About the
Corruption maybe, but crime and criminality, especially drugs, should have reviewed more sa ang facts natin dito. Just about a month ago, nagsabi yung MPD that in Manila it's about 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10 contaminated or influenced by drugs. And that is true for the entire country, especially in cities. Especially in cities. Not really on a massive scale, but drugs is creeping into the lives of the young people. Baka hindi binigyan si Presidente ng magandang ano niyan. That's dangerous. You could equate it with the national security. As a matter of fact, it is worrisome, just like the China and the Mindanao. Dapat siya interesado. Siya yung anak ng presidente. And there was a time when almost everybody of his relatives were there, post-EDSA. So that would give him a lesson. And if you limit to one family to one candidate, so be it. Dapat isa lang sa isang pamilya. But you know, and even in America, it's a great democracy. One of the leading candidates there over there is Bush again. And the wife of the president, Clinton, Hillary, is also running. The brother of the president, a former president, the wife of a former president, ganon yan. So, democracy yan. Hindi naman kasi hindi mo mapigilan ang tao sa ambisyon. And baka hindi talaga lulusot siya. Grabe lalo na dito sa Pilipinas that the votes are controlled by the elite. Magano mo, tanawa ha. Itong presidency na ito, sila rin ay magsabot-sabot dito sa Manila. We're not even considered here. Kinsay inyong, basta ang ila tanawa itong tulogi, gipan. Sila rin ay kasabot dito sa mga kwarto sa Manila. Ako, andong ko na lang, si Presidente Aquino. Pagkamatay sa inahan, sabot-sabot sila nga to. Kinakusgan, simpatiyan na matay. Siya, he should learn his lessons very well. For after all, kung mamatay yung mama, di siya presidente. Di mo rapog hari. Hindi kamatay siya, ang musunod ng anak. That's why dynasty is all about. May magaling ulatan, at least ang atong dynasty pilion sa tao. Pero ang problema ng Pilipinas, ginagunitan o pipila lang kapamilya. He should realize that Manila, karon sila ra dito. Kanang mga ruling families dire, kisa ng mga tigas na may kwarta, tagkog negosyo, sila ra ba mo pili nga to, kana baka pa na mo na. It sounds funny, it's ironic, but that is the situation. So, kana bang maingon anti-dynasty, tanamag maayo nga dili po ka mo maigo. Kasi siya ba? Na presidente siya, kung matay ang anak, di ginang presidente, tinuod lang.